So what you want to do is create monthly reports. How is the company doing? Now, I've mentioned a few things in the previous slide, which I hope that you write them down, for example. But what is the operations that you do within your business? That needs to be put into a spreadsheet, for example. Think about that. Your staff members, your remote staff members, your contracts that you've got, your sales, your company's vision, is it still on track, for example? You've got to look at the revenue that you're generating. Is there anything that you need to be aware of in your company that's not working as good as what it should have been? So creating that 12-month plan, then you want to create a monthly plan to make sure that you're actually reaching the targets that you've set out in your 12-month plan. So creating monthly reports is vital to your organization, and having those meetings. You've got your meetings which you need to do weekly. There's meetings which you need to do daily, just to make sure that the team are able to implement what the company's vision is, and that they're not struggling with anything, for example, and that it's working. You know, you've got to think about doing weekly meetings. You know, are we on target for the week about what we've been talking about? So if you're doing daily meetings, which you should do with the team, and I know it may seem, oh my goodness, it's such a long thing that, but spend 15 to 30 minutes a day talking to the team members to see how things are going, so that you're looking at what the target is at the end of the week. Then you have a weekly meeting to say, yes, we're on target. That's really worked well. Excellent. Well done. You know, congratulate them. Yeah. So there's that. There's the monthly meetings, like I said, and then there's the quarterly, and then there's the twice a year, for example. So you've got to build that plan around the contracts that you've applied for and what's happening with those contracts, because sometimes contracts take months to come through, even though you've got notification that you've got a contract. Not all of them are instant. So sometimes you have to wait for the legal team to sort out the paperwork, for example.